I'm Adam. Welcome back to Got Wire. Today I have this MOKIN, I think that's how you say that, MOKIN 8-in-1 charging device. You put it on your desk. It has a ton of power for your devices to help eliminate clutter. Full transparency, they did send this to me for a review, but they're not reviewing the footage or telling me what to say beforehand, so all my opinions are my own. So it has a 100-watt retractable USB-C cable. It's got some USB-C ports and some USB-A port, and then along with those, it has 3 regular outlets on the top, and it also shows you how much wattage you're pushing through it on the display. So let's get this unboxed here. So like I said, it has 3 regular power outlets on the top. It's got the power button here, and then you have 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A, and then you have your retractable 100-watt USB-C connection. So on the front, when you don't have anything plugged into it, it has a face with a sleeping symbol, which is kind of cool. All right, so I got my Samsung tablet here. I got my wife's iPad, and then I got my phone. So we'll plug in all 3 and see how many watts this thing can deliver. So I got my phone doing super fast charging, and that's at 21 watts. Let me plug in my tablet here, and my tablet is charging. I'm just assuming it's charging at the regular charge speed, not super fast, but just regular charging. We're up to 32 watts, and my wife's iPad is charging. So if all 3 of these charging, we're drawing about 44 watts altogether, which isn't too bad. And it looks like you can still supply more if you plug up some USB-A devices onto here. And then, like I said, you still have 3 more outlets to plug up a computer or whatever else you want to plug up. So if you get this on your desk, you pretty much got everything you need for charging and power right here on your desk. But that's my review of this MOKIN charging station. I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep it here on my desk and use it permanently. So that way I always have power up here for when I'm testing like travel routers or whatever else I'm testing. If you guys want to get one for yourselves, I'll have the link down in the description. And then also down there, I'll have Amazon affiliate links. If you guys want to buy something off Amazon, feel free to use one of my links down there. I get a small kickback from it. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra. This helps the channel out. I also have my Discord linked down below in the description. So if you want to join my Discord, go ahead and click on that link. But that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Adam, and I'll see you guys on the next one.